The WBAP Weather Center, flash flood warnings are being issued right now for Dallas and Ellis counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued flash flood warnings for Dallas County and northeastern Ellis County until 3:30 this afternoon. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicate thunderstorms producing heavy rain across Dallas and northern Ellis counties. Up to an inch of rain has already fallen over a very short period of time. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. These are heavy thunderstorms that are producing the heavy rains and flash flooding, again, mainly in eastern Dallas County and in northern Ellis County. Flash flood warnings up until 3:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Scattered showers that developed here over the last hour or so, and then they just blossomed into extremely heavy rains. Right now, the heavy.
All right, and what's